அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். I am L.vasthina Sherlin, Standard 7, studying Lourdannai Girls Higher Secondary School. I am also a student of Junior IAS Academy.
In this video, Standard 7th Science, Heat and Temperature. What is clinical thermometer? Let's see detail. Welcome friends. Pleasure morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about Standard 7th Science, Heat and Temperature. The topic is Heat and Temperature. Part 2. We move to the thermometer again. There are mainly two types of thermometer. The clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. What? Clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. We are going to discuss about these two thermometers in details. So, first let us move to the clinical thermometer. This is a clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of a body. Clinical thermometer is used to measure the human temperature. The clinical thermometer is not used to measure the temperature of any objects. It is only used to measure the human temperature or the temperature of any body. This is the clinical thermometer. Doctors use this thermometer. If you have fever, to measure your temperature, doctors use this thermometer. This is the clinical thermometer. So, let us discuss about this clinical thermometer in details. If you see a clinical thermometer more clearly, then you will see a long narrow uniform glass tube moving through the center of thermometer. You can see in this is yellow one, a long narrow uniform glass tube. In this long narrow uniform glass tube, you will see a silver shiny structure. A silver shiny thing. What is that? Silver shiny thing. The silver shiny thing is known as mercury. What is that? Known as mercury. What is mercury? Mercury is a metal, and the mercury is the only metal which is liquid at room temperature. This is a very important point. Mercury is the only metal which is liquid at room temperature. If any other metal, take the example of any other metal like iron, they are solid at room temperature, but mercury is an exceptional case. It is liquid at room temperature. It is only metal which is liquid at room temperature. Then why is mercury used in thermometers? Why not any other metals? There are some reasons why mercury is used in thermometers. What are those reasons? Mercury has an uniform rate of expansion. So, mercury is also metal. It will also expand. but mercury has a uniform rate of expansion. And the second one, it does not stick to the glass tube. This one is glass tube. Again, it does not stick to the walls of the glass tube. And another one, mercury is opaque and very shiny. You can see this one. This is mercury. It is shiny and it is opaque, and that's why it is easily visible. You can easily see the mercury. That's why marker is also used. And the next one, most important one, is mercury as a high boiling point. What is a boiling point? Suppose you are eating water at the point in which the water starts to boil is known as the water's boil point. In mercury as a high boiling point, it will not boil easily. You have to eat a lot, then only it will boil. So, mercury has a very high boiling point. That's why you can read the temperature easily. It will not boil easily. These are the reasons why mercury is used in thermometers, not only in clinical thermometer. Mercury is also used in laboratory thermometer. In this video, Standard 7th, Science, Heat and Temperature. What is clinical thermometer in detailed, and next we see in the next video.